Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create a business course cover image using Super Zoom in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and set course cover dimensions. I place the main image and pause. Course visuals must feel authoritative. I convert the layer to Smart Object. I open Camera Raw and activate Super Zoom carefully. I reduce noise immediately. I zoom in to key details. I adjust clarity slightly. I pull back zoom because learning visuals need comfort. Business education should feel approachable. I add a subtle gradient overlay. I zoom out and feel balance. The cover now feels premium and focused. I stop editing here.